Okay, in this live session, I am really not going to be wasting your time. We'll just go through a few pairs. You actually know that the entire market is waiting for the NFP tomorrow. That means you really need to be very careful with your trades until after after the NFP. Okay. All right, today we don't expect any high impact news announcement, so the market might still continue on its crawly behavior without much of action. The market volume is quite low, and that is why we have not been able to see much of a trading opportunities for the past few weeks. Okay, now looking into the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar, this is a pair we analyzed before, where we said we will be waiting around that high tension zone to see if we can find a valid short entry. Well, based on the nature of price behavior, if you're a price action reader, you will know that this price action is not suitable for trading anymore. Okay, and so we are not interested in going short again on the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. We will be flat. We are going to be watching to see what's going to happen, especially by tomorrow. Remember, the Canadian dollar is one candidate for tomorrow's NFP. You have to be extremely careful trading all Canadian dollar pairs as well. Okay, so for now this is out of the way. All right, let's look into the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. We have also analyzed this before. As you can see, price has entered into a sideways bias because the market movers are basically out of the market waiting for tomorrow's decision. What we have here is a congestion, and to me the last point of this congestion is still the expanding triangle. If I have to go short, then I will be waiting at this optimal area around in there to look for myself opportunity right there, somewhere around in there. I will not be looking for myself opportunity somewhere in here where I have this resistance, because chances are that price will go there, hit that level as if it wants to come down. A lot of traders are going to click on their sell button, then sooner than later it pushes up, triggering all of their stop losses, and around that optimal zone where every trader has given up, it starts coming down. Okay, that's what usually happens. So around that optimal zone is where if I have to go short, that I will be looking to go short. But as you can see, this is a sign of market confusion, so we need to stay flat, avoid the markets for now. All right, the sterling pound against the Australian dollar. Yesterday we analyzed this pair. We had talked about this area here being an area of support, and as you can see, price has been held very firmly around that area. It's been difficult to push to the downside. It's been extremely hard. Price has just remained around that area. Well, this is a sign of that low volume market that I was talking about. Look at the much hesitation that happened within that zone for so many hours. Okay, if you went long around here, if you clicked on your buy button, well, I am sorry, you wouldn't have made money. Maybe just small pips in profit because of that much hesitation. And as price action traders, whenever we see this type of market hesitation, the best course of action is to close out the trade and walk away from it. Okay, all right, why do we close out the trade? That's because price, okay, plus action is equal to price action. Okay, it's equal to price action. All right, that's simple mathematics there. It's equal to price action. So where you have price without action, you are not trading price action. Okay, for you to be price action trader, you always want price to be there, and you want price to be very active. Okay, and in this case there is price but there is no action, so price action traders should not be trading there. All right, the American dollar against the Swiss franc, another heavy congestion here in the intraday time frame. Sideways price bias. Price has been moving sideways, waiting for that news announcement. What do we have here? We have this is possibly a channel. possibly a small channel formation, which is also a hint that the news announcement is very likely to go to the downside. It's a hint that the news announcement will drive price to the downside. Hey, I am not saying you should go short. If you do that, it's pure gambling. Okay, if you do that, it's pure gambling. Just do not trade it for now. All right, American dollar against the Canadian dollar. This one here is on a sideways range. You can clearly see that this is the level of resistance, this is the level of support. Not into trading here as price has gone into the range. This pair will be feeling the heat tomorrow because it will be heat from the American dollar axis, and also it will be heat from the Canadian dollar axis. Try to avoid it for now. Finally, the euro against the American dollar. What do we see here? Price has also gone into sideways bias. We are likely going to be seeing this, trying to find the optimal area of resistance. Okay, optimal area of support might be an expanding triangle. Let me take out these other lines so you can get a clearer picture. Okay, so we might have that little expanding triangle in the hourly time frame. So based on price reaction tomorrow on this expansion, if we get price come down somewhere in there, is the optimal zone to look for bounces, to look for buy opportunities to the upside. This is still sideways. It will be extremely hard to make money in this type of market condition. Okay, all right, that's it. I am going to take my break, go back and enjoy myself until the day that the market is ready to begin to give us favorable price action. Meanwhile, if you have questions or contributions, feel free, send them across to us as usual, and we will be extremely happy to respond to them. If you like my videos, the best thing you want to do is to encourage me. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give me a comment. Okay, it makes me feel happy, and this video will go on and on. If you don't like it, please give me a thumbs down, then give me a bad comment. That will actually make me sit up in order to do better videos. Okay, don't just keep your opinion to yourself. Let us know about it, and I will be very happy to have you subscribe or comment on any of these videos. Okay, we'll talk again before the market close for today. Do have a profitable trading day. Bye bye.